What we learned over the last 2-3 years is victory favors the prepared. We hired our first meteorologist towards the end of 2024. An assessment of the meteorological tools showed that we had gaps in data, and a big opportunity for us really to better serve our customers was to close some of those gaps in data, and the weather stations are a way to do that. We're installing 100 between now and the end of 2027. And so the goal of those is to essentially fill in gaps in our weather station data that we don't get from the National Weather Service. It makes a difference in terms of affordability and cost, and also faster restoration for our customers. Having an internal meteorologist who can look out 4 or 5 days and say, this is significant risk, we're gonna see historic level ice coming on our system in 5 days. So we can make those preparations instead of just waiting for the emergency to happen, waiting for Mother Nature and then responding. The second thing it allows us to do is to prepare the public, leveraging all of our media channels, regulators, all of those key stakeholders from an emergency response standpoint throughout the state. I mentioned we've got gaps in the National Weather Service weather stations where we don't have great local data. And so if there's an emergency, if a tornado hits down, we want to be able to communicate with our crews in the area to get the heck out of there. Same thing from like a wildfire perspective as well. So those weather stations aren't just going to be focused on storms. There's a ton of data that they're going to help us leverage as we think about securing the grid.